here we have the things that make up a brew kit. So we have one whistling kettle for the purpose of. We have some brown demerara sugar, 3 heaped teaspoons, 3 heaped teaspoons, or is it 4, of 3 teaspoons of milk powder. We have 4 tea bags and 3 of these coffee all-in-one packets, which go in our packet here, which previously had something naughty and nasty in it, and the label says what's inside. That way we can make a brew when we're out and about. And it weighs nothing. Everything goes in here. It has a resealable top there. Just make sure it all stays dry, nothing falls out, etc. We know what's in there. Okay, that's it for now.